Good evening, it's Monday night, and this is gonna be a quick video because our topic for tonight is alahas or jewelries. So you could go and click on the about section, and the Tagalog words that I'm gonna use on the video is in there. So you could go and say the words with me. Okay, ready? Our first word is, and I just said it, that's alahas. Alahas is the Tagalog word for jewelries. And our first jewelry is watch or wristwatch. That's relo. Say it again, relo. That's relo, relo. And I don't have any right now. I just use my cell phone when I have to check the time. Next word is necklace or quintas. Quintas. That's necklace. And next word is earring. That's hikaw. That's my favorite jewelry, but I don't have any right now because I was still waiting for my right ear to heal. I got it swollen and red, so I took off my hikaw or earrings, hikaw. And last word would be a ring. A ring is sing. It's like the word sing, like sing as in singing, sing, and it is said twice. Sing. Sing is for ring. Okay, let's do a quick review. A watch is relo. Necklace is quintas. Hikaw is earrings. Hikaw. Like he, as in the he guy, and cow as in cow, cow, C-O-W, hikaw. But in Tagalog, that's spelled as H-I-K-A-W, hikaw. And last is ring. A ring is sing. Okay, that's it for tonight, and it's just like a quick, because it's only like a few words. So next time I think we're going to cover footwears, maybe, or I still have to think about that. For now, bye bye, till next time.